This is my recipe for quick and easy chicken, beef and bean burritos. Cooking a healthy meal whilst you're a student doesn't have to take a long time or cost you a lot of ingredients. In a pan on a medium-low heat, just fry some diced onion. When your onions are soft and just beginning to take on a little colour, add a couple diced peppers and you can add your diced chicken. So my chicken has just sort of seared and I'm adding some salt and pepper, some smoked and sweet paprika, some ground cumin and ground coriander, and some garlic and onion powder. And just give that a good mix, letting those spices really toast off in your pan and mingle with that chicken. And you can now add your drained and rinsed black beans. And again, just mix that through and let this cook together on a medium-low heat until your chicken is fully cooked through and your beans have softened slightly. I almost forgot, and this is optional, you can add a little bit of your favourite hot sauce or some chili powder. When your chicken is cooked, you can turn off the heat. And this is ready to serve as it is, but the way I like to do it is just leave this to cool and I'll show you the next step. So when your chicken is cool, just add a couple dollops of mayo. And this is just going to make it nice and creamy. You can use sour cream instead, and you're just going to mix this through, making sure everything is really coated. And you just want it to look something like this. You can put this in the fridge and use this throughout the week. And now for assembling the wraps, I don't really have a specific or particularly great technique here, but this is how I assemble mine. You can of course add whatever you like, guacamole, sour cream. This is just what I feel like using today. Some olives, sweet corn, your chicken mix, some cheese. You can also add a dash of your favourite hot sauce. And to roll it, I really just sort of squash my burrito together. So I bring those sides together, I just roll this towards the top and just roll it over until I have a monster burrito. It's a bit of a mess, but it'll do. And you should end up with something like this. It's never going to be neat by any means, just because I do struggle with these small tortillas. You can toast your burritos, but this is all there is to it. It's a really simple, really quick recipe to make. And I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell for more recipes. And thank you for watching.